You are going to love the 2014 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.